Mixed exercise chapter 6. Again, E and P, the mark together. So number 3. Sine HA minus B is equal to sine HA cosine HB minus cos HA sine HB. So the right side is a little bit more complicated. So we start from right side and the result will be to the left side. So sine A cos B cos A half sine B. So now E cos minus so now 1 over 4 altogether. So E A plus B foil E A minus B minus E negative A plus B minus E negative A minus B minus E A plus B plus E A minus B minus E negative A plus B plus E negative A negative B. So here A plus B and A negative A negative B. So now we have 2 of this and 2 of this. So we can make it 1 over 2 and EA minus B plus minus E negative A minus B. Therefore, this is sine H A minus B. And number 4, using definition. So again, we start from the right side. So we know that tan H the half hypotangent 1 over 2 to EX minus 1 over EX plus 1. So we start from there. So here over 1 minus tan 1 over 2 x. So over 1 minus EX minus 1 and EX plus 1 squared, like this. So we multiply EX plus 1 squared on both sides. So 2 EX plus 1 and EX minus 1 over EX plus 1 squared minus EX minus 1 squared. So 2E2X minus 1. And this one is the difference of 2 squares. It's EX plus 1 plus EX minus 1. EX plus 1 minus EX plus 1. So this is 2. So now we have 2EX and E2X minus 1. So this is what we have now. And because we need to show that this is the sine hypersine x, so I multiply e to the power of negative x on both sides, then 2 and 2 to e to the power of x minus e to the power of negative x, which is hypersine x. And number 9, 13 cos, okay, given, this is given. And cos A plus B, this identity. So find the value of R and A, given the alpha is 3 decimal places. So let's do that. So x plus alpha. So we have on the right side x plus alpha. So let's start from there. On the right side is r cos h x plus alpha is from the identity r cos x cos hypercos cos h x cos h alpha plus r sin h x sin h alpha. This should be the same on the left side, means r cos h alpha becomes 13 and r sin h alpha becomes 5. So we know the squared 13 over r sin h alpha is 5 over r. So their difference of the sum is 1. So cos h alpha squared minus sin h alpha squared equals 1. This is the identity. 13, let's say r squared, 13 squared minus 5 squared equals 1, which is r squared is 12 squared. Therefore r is 12 because r is positive. And alpha cos h alpha is 13 over 12. So now we can make it sin h alpha is 5 over 12. So tan h alpha becomes 5 over 12 over 13 over 12. So 5 over 13. So tan h alpha equals 5 over 13. So we can use the calculator. You can use the solver, then you will find it. And number B. Write down the minimum value of this one. So the minimum value 12. You know sine and cosine. The cos h x, the graph of cos h x is, I think it shows here like this. So the minimum is 1. So means now we have x plus a alpha. And 12. So the minimum is 12. Therefore, the minimum is 12. And number 10 might be similar. You can try. Number 14. 3 cos hx minus 3 sin hx. So let's do that. F prime of x. Sorry. Somehow whenever I record it, my GoodNote doesn't work properly. Anyway, so now we find 5 hypocos x minus 3 hyposine x prime. 5 sin hx minus 3 cos hx. And the turning point when equals 0 means 5 sin hx becomes 3 cos hx sin hx over cos hx. 3 over 5 means tan x becomes 3 over 5. So arc tan h 3 over 5. This is the answer. So You can find from the calculator. You can change the mode. You know, actually, I don't know where is my calculator has this arc tangent. So just let me e to the power of 2x minus 1 to e to the power of 2x plus 1 becomes 3/5. So I will solve it out with solver. And number, what was this? Number 14. So we find the x here. Then you can, I think there is only one x here. So you will find the y value. You can put it there. And number 16. Sine x cos hx. Show that first derivative. So 16. We need to use the product rule. So y prime is the first one derivative and the original one plus sine x and derivative and y double prime negative sine x cos hx plus cos x sine hx plus cos x sine hx plus sine x cos hx. Oh, so we don't have this anymore. Y triple prime 2 negative sine x sine hx plus cos x cos hx minus sine x. Oh, sorry, this is same. So this is the one. And 4 2 negative cos x sine hx minus sine x cos hx minus sine x cos hx plus cos x sine hx. So now we don't have this anymore. And negative 4 sine x cos hx, which is y. So negative 4y. So we showed it. So first three non-zero term Maclaurin series for y. Okay, so let's put 0 here. So when we put y, x equals 0 is 0. So here, 1. No, I mean x equals 0. This is 1. And here, x equals 0. This is 2. And the double derivative, x equals 0. Sine, oh, this is 0. And fourth, this comes 0. So the first, first three non-zero term. So we have, but now we have only 2. Right? So we need to find the fifth. But anyway, we already know negative 4 and y prime. And x equals 0. And y prime is already 1, so negative 4. So y is 0 plus 1x plus 0 x squared blah 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 and 2 x cubed over 3 factorial minus 4 x to the power of 5 factorial plus blah blah blah. So this is the one. And number 17, first three is going to be same. Number 18. So find the value A, B, C. Okay. So 18, 4x squared plus 4x plus 17 equals 2x plus 1 squared plus 16. So now, exact value 3 over 2, negative 1 over 2, square root 2x plus 1 squared plus 4 squared and 1 dx. Let me check the formula. I forgot. So this is the like number 10, this one, right? So now we have A equals 1. So arc sine, hypersine 2x plus 1 over 4 and 1 over 2. It is reverse chain rule. And we put 3 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. So let's go back. Number 18. Exact value. So AR, like arc sine h 1 over 2, 3 over 2, 3 and 1 minus arc sine h 0, like this. So this becomes 0. Uh, 1 over 2 and arc sine h is, let me calculate from here, 1 becomes e to the power of x minus e to the power of negative x over 2. So 2, but you can calculate it from the calculator. So this will be the answer. And number 20. This is the curve, ski slope. 1 unit, 10 meter integration of calculate the area of R. So integral 10 square root 4x squared plus 9 from 0 to 9. 0 to 5 dx again. So here 0 to 5, 10, 2x squared plus 3 squared square root dx. So antiderivative of this 10 n arc sine h 2x over 3 n over 2 0 to 5. Then you will find it. And number 21, it's gonna be same. Number 22, sine hypersine x sine hx plus 2 cos hx, 1 over sine hx plus 2 cos hx dx integral. So now here we need to, here ex minus e to the power of negative x over 2 plus ex plus e to the power of negative x. So 2, 3 e to the power of x and plus e to the power of negative x dx. And let me make it e to the power of x like on both sides. So here 2 e to the power of x e to the power of 2x plus 1 dx. Let to ex equals u, then e to the power of x dx becomes du. So integral EU and 3u squared plus 1 and dx becomes ex du over u. So like this. So this is arctan. 3u square root squared plus 1. No, I mean, this is not proper. Square root of 3u. 2 du integral. So arctan just now I forgot. I think this is arctan square root of 3u and 2 plus c 2 arctan ex plus c. If I remember properly. Or but square root of 3, I need to make it square root of 3. Reverse channel. So this is the one. And the B show that 1 to 4 3x minus 1 over square root x minus 1 squared plus 3 squared dx. So this one we need to make it. How can we make it? 3x x squared. So maybe x minus 1 I think I'll do it like this. That one, like integral 1 to 4 3 x minus 1 square root x minus 1 squared plus 3 squared to make it substitution, plus integral 1 to 4 because this is negative 3, so I need to add 2, make it negative 1 originally. 3 squared dx. So the first one, x minus 1 becomes u. So this one, u squared plus 3 squared. And no, I mean x minus 1 squared plus 3. Oh. U x minus 1 squared plus 3 squared. Then du 2 x minus 1 dx. So this one 3 and 2 du square root u. Like this. And the interval of the u, when x equals 1, this is 9. When x equals 4, this is 18. So this is the first part. You can do that. Plus. So this is again squared plus squared. So now we use this arc sine h. 3 x minus 1 and 2 and 1 to 4. So this is the one. You will calculate it. And number 23. Diagram shows the two vertical bollards fixed on horizontal ground 7 meters apart. Chain molded the curve. Acute angle that chain makes the right hand bollard Then here, so means we need to find the derivative and put the x equals 4. So now y prime is sine h x over 3, and this is chain rule 1 over 3. So now we put x equals 4. Then e to the power of 4 over 3 minus e to the power of negative 4 over 3 over 2 times 1 over 3. Then you will find it. So use the calculus to find integral cos h x over 3 between negative 3 to 4 dx. So sine h x over 3 and 3, negative 3 and 4, you will find it. And 25. So, but this is the same. So given the roof can be modeled as a prism, each unit on the x-axis represents 5 centimeter. Curve the top of the roof is, and with the length 30 centimeter. Okay, length is 30 centimeter. Then we find this area times 30. So 25 integral negative 2 to 5 over x squared plus 4 square root dx times 30. This is the one.